Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's biology lecture, we will learn about vitamins, their definition, classification and functions. This is very important topic for NEET, CBSE board and other competitive exams. So let's begin. What are vitamins? Vitamins are essential organic compounds required by our body in very small amounts. Although they are needed in tiny quantities, they play a major role in maintaining good health and supporting the various biological and biochemical functions. Remember, small quantity but very big role. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are generally classified into two main groups: fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins dissolve in fat and are mainly stored in the liver and fatty tissues. Since they can be stored in the body, they do not need to be consumed every day. The fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. That is ADEK, ADEK. Next, water soluble vitamins are vitamins dissolved in water and are not stored in the body. Therefore, they must be taken regularly through our diet. Water soluble vitamin includes B complex vitamins such as B1, B12, B3, B5, B6, B7, B9 and B12. Next, vitamin C, that is also known as ascorbic acid. Daily diet is important because water soluble vitamins are not stored in our body. Let's discuss the important functions of the vitamin. First, vitamin boosts the immune system, helping the body fight infections. Second, they help in energy production, allowing all cells to perform various activities efficiently. Third, vitamins aid in cell and tissue repair, which is essential for healing and maintaining healthy organs. They also support normal growth and development, especially during childhood and during adulthood. Finally, vitamin prevents deficiency diseases that occurs when the body does not receive enough vitamins. So, vitamins are essential for healthy growth, proper metabolism and overall well-being. Quick revision to these important points. Vitamins are essential organic compounds needed in small amounts. They are classified into fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins are B complex and vitamin C. Vitamin helps in boosting immunity, energy production, cell and tissue repair, growth and development, preventing deficiency diseases. That brings us to the end of today's lecture. If you find this explanation helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more biology lectures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.